Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair video. I'm going to try to do some crochet locks and try to put it in a bob. This is the hair that I'll be using. I washed it last night, so I'm going to attempt to put this in a bob hairstyle. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so these are the individual locks that I'll be doing on both sides. And I also have some in the back. So that is my braiding pattern. And I'll be using this hair right here for the locks and this hair here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the individual ones first. So yeah, I have went through and I put the crochets in, and some of the individual ones that you can see up in here, I completed those. So I only have this part right here to do. The back is done. And I did some of those as individuals back there also. So the back is complete. And I'll probably cut it tomorrow, but I'm going to finish up with this right here, these ones, and I'm going to come back. And I forgot to tell you guys that I had to go back to the beauty supply and get a different brand of hair to twist my hair up with, because that one that I had before, oh my god, it didn't even match. It was just horrible, and I hated going to the store so late. Late to me is 3 o'clock, because that's when people get off work. So anyway, I had to go back to the store, and so this is the one that I'm using to twist my hair up with. So yeah, I just take a strand and just cut it in half and just take the hair. I take the hair and I just twist. So when I get down that far, I use this brand of, I guess it's lock gel or something like that. That's what I use to, and I put it on this end because who ain't got time for all that glue and all that burning? Is me. I'll be looking for the quickest way out that I can take, because yeah, I don't have time to go grab the glue. I have to have everything right there. So I'm gonna finish this part up, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all where I'm at from there. Okay, y'all, we have reached the end of the video. So finally, I'm happy. This is the last one, the very last one. So I'm just going to keep on going, and I'll show y'all the results. Y'all see this vibe? Did I cut it right or what? Did I do good? I did okay. I did okay for my first time trying to cut crochet bob locks. So here's the back. Let me know what y'all think. It's the bob. It's definitely the bob. When you say so yourself, it's the bob. Definitely the bob.